If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. This is Glitch Mode by NCT Dream. I don't know how people really feel about it because I didn't really look at the. Oh, it's like a GameStop. This man.
Welcome aboard.
What? This man is making a heart? Wait. They're not even doing work. He's texting and doing a heart. Oh, that's what Hechin does for me. Hey, papaya.
Scratch that, bring it back.
I did not know what to expect, but let's keep on going though. I was like, oh, like your whole body freezes when I'm in front of you. Like stutter, glitch out. Ooh. Miss Coke. Glitch mode. Ooh. That's kind of fire. Whoop de whoop. Why is this whole like concept is such a mood? I like it. It's like, oh, they're just like getting lit in their own version of like a GameStop or video game store, which is kind of fire. It's just having fun, bro. Well, the beat itself has a very bro. SM is so clean with the transitions to like a different sound. It's so nice. Let me hear that again. Like a whole different set. That's cute. That's cute. That's cute. Let's go, Mark. That green jacket too. Wait, why are you looking back at it, bro? I actually want to check out a little bit of the album before I move on to anything else after this. Mixed code. Glitch mode. This whole concept is interesting to me. It's literally GameStop, like our Best Buy or like they did have their own hot sauce. Now they have their own video game. Ooh. It's quite a fun concept. I mean, like the beat itself too. Hey man, oh, does he have a rat tail? Like it's like the whole. I don't know how I feel about that. Ooh. How? So much has happened. Yo, I was just thinking, yo, you know that whole like trendy dance that everybody's doing, that like it's a glide, like tiptoe gliding kind of thing? You think a K-pop group's gonna ever do that? And who would it be? Cause I thought like Mark did that coming into like the center before they started dancing, I think. Ooh. Hey, thank you for subscribing, yo. I'm back for sidetrack as usual. Wait. Oh no, he getting frozen. Everybody just... What did I just watch, bro? It's so fire though. Wait, hold on. Like when they break it down. Ooh. I love dance breaks though. This is like fire to me. He literally glided, but I thought like he glided, but oh, he has eye makeup on? You know what's crazy? Seeing like a concept like this and just like the whole beat being kind of crazy just makes sense for NCT, to be honest. Like I feel like we've been used to that. I feel like I was caught off guard with the break. Yo, me too. That's why I was like, what is happening right now? Autumn, thank you for subscribing. Can we get some twerking for Autumn for a bit?
Yes.
Some hype and twerking, please. Lord Jesus, no, not my bias. Ooh, the choreo's fire too. Like a missed call. Wait, is it? Alright, this is very SM, not gonna lie. Nah, but SM's perfected this. That's the thing. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.